Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and it's time now for the nation's sharpest opinion. Yesterday, because there were two simultaneous events that were happening, one starting a little after 7 o'clock, the swearing-in ceremony for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his cabinet ministers and his council of ministers was going on at Rashtrapati Bhavan. So a lot of you people were hooked into that, and a lot of other people were hooked into a senseless India-Pakistan cricket match that has been happening, which should never have happened. That's why one major news development got undermined, and we must all in news channels take responsibility for that, and that is the attack on Vaishno Devi pilgrims that happened around 6:10 p.m. yesterday in Riyasi in Jammu and Kashmir, ladies and gentlemen. Now, a couple of things we must remember. One, I already feel there's a lot of support for our campaign, which is no more cricket with Pakistan, because a lot of people believe that this cricket drug, this cricket narcotic has put us in such a position that we don't even respond to the killing of children, innocents and women by Pakistanis or our soil. Instead, while our children are being killed by Pakistani terrorists, we watch cricket matches with them. So I believe that we should stop playing cricket. There should be a complete pull-out from the World Cup, and the BCCI should show the moral and corporate courage to get out of any more India-Pakistan matches and not fool the people of this country by saying we are not playing a bilateral series with them, so you should be happy. We're not happy about that. The second point, viewers, we must remember is that Hindu pilgrims were targeted, and that is a message that Pakistan, which supports jihadists, is sending. Their message is we will make jihadists target Hindus and Hindu pilgrims. And I believe we should hit them back, and we should hit them back hard. We need to teach a Balakot type lesson once again to the Pakistanis to put that bankrupt nation in its place. The third point is this attack has been carried out by not any TRF or any such organization. It has been carried out by the Lashkar-e-Toiba. The Lashkar-e-Toiba has claimed responsibility for the attack. And this attack has been timed to the cricket match on the one side and the swearing-in ceremony of the Prime Minister on the other. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Pakistan taking a chance. Here is Pakistan also showing its immense loyalty to their masters, the Chinese, who have had meetings with their top leadership recently. So in order to take the attention away from their terrible situation in Balochistan, in the NWFP and vis-a-vis the Afghans along the Durand line, the Pakistanis are trying to push terrorism once again here in India. Viewers, what is my take? My take is Narendra Modi has become Prime Minister of India for a third time. He and his government must teach the Pakistanis a proper lesson once again. Point one. Tell me if you agree with me. This is my expectation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi must teach the Pakistanis a lesson. That is the decisive Prime Minister Narendra Modi who the country supports. He needs to send a tough message immediately across the border. We can't remain quiet on this. The second point, and I have a few points to make, we must immediately pull out of this silly cricket tournament going on somewhere in North America. And certainly we must declare we are not playing cricket with Pakistan. Otherwise, hold the BCCI responsible. Put pressure on the BCCI for not reflecting national interest. How can the BCCI even think, how can the Indian cricketers go out there and play a match after knowing that Indian children are being targeted by Pakistanis? Shot Vaishno Devi pilgrims on a bus. The bus was hijacked, targeted, driver of the bus killed. Will we underplay this in the hope that we don't talk about it? So BCCI needs to be decisive. One, Government of India needs to be decisive. And third, viewers, you need to be decisive. Send a message to all the people who are drugging you with cricket that you are going to boycott cricket unless the BCCI pulls out of this crazy scheme to continue to play cricket with Pakistan. Viewers, I am also interested in the geostrategic side. I believe China will not help Pakistan if we take action against them. Now, even if they do, we should really, really cross the border and teach the Pakistanis a lesson. That's my view. Here's a short report and then I'll debate.
They signed the Lahore Agreement and they betrayed us. We extended an arm of friendship, they stabbed us in the back. Days after Prime Minister Modi talked tough on Pakistan,
आपने पाकिस्तान के संदर्भ में कहा था कि अर्नब बम बंदूक और बारूद के बीच में बातचीत हो सकती है क्या? तो मेरा सवाल आपसे है 10 साल हो गए, आपने कोई चेंज देखा है पाकिस्तान के अप्रोच में?
हमें पाकिस्तान के अप्रोच में अपना दिमाग खपाना नहीं चाहिए। हमें अपना लक्ष्य लेकर के आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। और मैंने विथ रेफरेंस टू पाकिस्तान हिंदुस्तान को चलाने के तरीके 10 साल से ताला लगा दिया। मैं वो करना ही नहीं चाहता।
they killed 9 innocent pilgrims, leaving 33 injured in Riyasi. Be it in 1999 or 2015, or even now in 2024, Pakistan's double-speak has been exposed time and again. The Pakistan link to this terror attack is indisputable. The same gun and caliber used by Pakistan Army was used by LET's offshoot TRF, which killed the innocent pilgrims in Riyasi. Coincidentally, Shehbaz Sharif held off until after the attack to wish Prime Minister Modi on his 3rd term, despite the results being out on the 4th of June. And since the last 10 years, Pakistan has not learnt its lesson. In 2014, Nawaz Sharif was one of the guests for Prime Minister Modi's swearing-in ceremony. Thanks to their safe haven for terror, they have been alienated. These terrorists waited for hours to carry out this premeditated attack. Since the abrogation of Article 370, TRF has vowed to disrupt peace and bleed the valley. But even today, it seems like Pakistan has not learned its lesson. They are staring at another Balakot-like strike.
From the Pakistani side, I have Major Janjua, Dr. Irshad Ahmad Khan and Faraz Saeed. And we all know Gaurav Arya, Major Gaurav Arya and General G.D. Bakshi. Now, Faraz Saeed, what kind of a message are you trying to send here? When our government is being sworn in, exactly at that time, mark my words, Gaurav, exactly at that time, 6:10 p.m. That is the time when all the ministers and foreign dignitaries were arriving at Rashtrapati Bhavan for the swearing in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When India's entire decision-making machinery, including the National Security Advisor, including, in fact, I was sitting next to the, at yesterday's event, the Chief of Army Staff, the Chief of Defence Staff, Gaurav, were all there. Exactly at that time, these Pakistanis targeted a bus full of Hindu pilgrims going to Vaishno Devi and specifically targeted a small child, a toddler, and shot him dead. And I have already said, Gaurav, I want to tell you this. I have called for a complete boycott of these stupid cricket matches with Pakistan. But I think there has to be a lot more than that. So I want to start with you, Gaurav. And by the way, I will not and you will not use any word called TRF that is rubbish. We will only refer to what the real name is, which is Lashkar-e-Toiba. Lashkar-e-Toiba. इनकी हिम्मत भी नहीं होती है गौरव, नाम बदलते हैं TRF. Gaurav, I want to start with you. In the given moment, what are your thoughts and how should we respond? How should the new government respond?
Arnab, I'd like to echo your thoughts. First of all, this entire nonsense, and we are equally to blame, is BCCI. They keep on playing cricket for some reason or the other. This must stop. Absolutely stop. Not just a series inside India or inside Pakistan, across the world. Just stop. Just put a stop to it. End of story. I'm sure Pakistan can survive without India and India can survive without Pakistan. We don't need each other. There should be a clear-cut divide. That's number one.
Correct.
Number two, Arnab, which I'd like to state is that, this TRF is nonsense. They have just tried to secularize the Lashkar-e-Taiba. You see, they've just tried to secularize the name. The resistance front. As if it's some resistance taking place against somebody. Arnab, they need to be hit. But above all, what I would like to say is that our enemy is not the Lashkar-e-Taiba. Our enemy is not the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Our enemy is the Pakistan army. That is the head of the snake. Hafiz Saeed is not the villain. The villain is General Asim Munir. We need to get our head straight. The problem is the Pakistan army. Pakistan has an endless supply of jihadis, Arnab. They have hundreds of thousands of illegal and legal madrasas. They can keep on sending jihadi after jihadi after jihadi. आप मारते रहिए, भेजते रहेंगे वो. उनके पास endless supply है जिहादियों की. Software programmer थोड़ा ना पाए जाते हैं पाकिस्तान में. Scientists थोड़ा ना है पाकिस्तान में. पाकिस्तान में जो है वो भेजेंगे. They will send whom they have. And they will keep on sending unless you punish the Pakistan army. This will not stop, Arnab. For the next 100 years, it will not stop. You have to punish the Pakistan army like you did in 1971.
अभी मैं ये बताऊंगा कि दहशतगर्दी सिर्फ असले से नहीं होती. दहशतगर्दी जो आप लोग अभी दहशतगर्दी कर रहे हैं, मेजर गौरव भी और अर्नब भाई आप भी, कि बात ऐसा है कि खिलाड़ी तो सफीर होता है. आप खेलों पे पाबंदी और कैसे कैसे दहशतगर्दी की बातें कर रहे हैं. आप लोग
नहीं होता.
आप दहशतगर्दी दहशतगर्दी करते हैं. आप दहशतगर्दी फैलाते हैं अपने लोगों से,
पाकिस्तान के साथ
अपनी हुकूमत बनाने के लिए, अपने लोगों को मरवाने तक सब कुछ आप खुद करते हैं. आपकी हुकूमत कर रही है इस वक्त. उन्होंने ओथ लेने के लिए ये कुछ जो कुछ किया, कश्मीरियों को मरवाया, आप लोगों ने खुद मरवाया. ये मोदी सरकार ने मरवाया ताकि
आदमी क्यों इतना अनपढ़ है?
हर चैनल पे मैं कह रहा हूं.
अरे एक मिनट 1 मिनट. इरशाद अहमद खान 1 मिनट. इरशाद अहमद खान 1 मिनट रुकिए. अरे रुकिए 1 मिनट. अरे रुक जाइए 1 मिनट. मेरी बात सुनिए. चिल्लाइए मत. मेरी बात सुनिए. एक मेरी बात सुनिए. ये हाफिज सईद ने क्रेडिट ली है. उन्होंने कहा है कि मैंने करवाया, और इधर इरशाद अहमद खान कह रहे हैं
बकौल आपके.
अरे आप मेरी बात सुनिए, मेरी बात खत्म करने दीजिए. अरे एक बात बताइए इरशाद, आप बहुत बोलते हैं ना, तो मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. इतना बोलते हैं तो इतना बोलते हैं, सुन के बोलिए. ये प्रॉब्लम है आप पाकिस्तानियों की, बिना सुने बात करते हैं. सुनिए फिर बोलिए. मेरा सवाल यह है कि जिस टेररिस्ट ने एक 2 साल के बच्चे को मारा, सीधा सवाल है, सीधा जवाब दीजिए. जिस टेररिस्ट ने एक 2 साल के बच्चे को मारा, वो टेररिस्ट और उस टेररिस्ट ग्रुप को आप कायर मानते हैं कि नहीं? कावर्ड. बोलिए हाफिज सईद कायर है. बोलिए हाफिज सईद कायर है. बोलिए हाफिज सईद कायर है. बोलिए लश्कर-ए-तोयबा कायर है. बोलिए, हिम्मत है तो बोलिए. कायरता दिखाते हैं मेरे प्रोग्राम पर, शर्म नहीं आती?
मुसलमानों पे
कायर कहीं के आप लोग
बिल्कुल झूठ बोलते हैं, झूठा इल्जाम.
कायर है कि नहीं बताइए मुझे. पहले बोलिए, जिसने 2 साल के बच्चे को मारा वो कायर है कि नहीं? बोलिए आज, बोलिए. एक बच्चे को मारते हो, एक बच्चे पे गोली चलाते हो, एक बच्चे और उसकी मां को मार डाला,
आप मेरी बात सुनिए।
गौरव,
आप मेरी
इन्होंने
बात
एक बच्चे को,
सुनिए।
ये कायर
आप शोर मत
एक बच्चे
मचाइए।
को और उसकी
आप-
मां को मार
आप
डाला,
शोर न
जो
मचाइए।
जयपुर से थे,
आप-
जयपुर से थे,
आप शोर ना
आपको एक
मचाइए,
बात पता है?
शोर ना मचाइए।
जयपुर से थे,
तैयबा भी है।
वैष्णो देवी जा रहे थे,
मैं आप-
हिंदू थे, सनातनी थे।
आपने बहुत बोला।
आपने मारा,
बहुत बोला।
आपने उस बच्चे को क्यों मारा? क्यों वो हिंदू बच्चा था? आपने क्यों मारा? क्योंकि वो हिंदू बच्चा था, वो भारतीय बच्चा
जो
था।
दहशतगर्द है वो हम में से नहीं है।
अरे भाई,
जो दहशतगर्द
अरे
है,
आप
वो
लोग
हम में
तो-
से नहीं है।
तुम्हारी पूरी कौम
दहशतगर्द है,
दहशतगर्द है।
मुसलमान
क्या
नहीं
बात
है।
कर रहे हो?
इस्लाम कभी
सारे के सारे
नहीं
पाकिस्तानी
आप
दहशतगर्द
इजाजत
हैं।
नहीं देता है। एक
अबे।
इंसान का कत्ल पूरी इंसानियत का कत्ल होता है।
ये सब
लेकिन
झूठ मत
आप
बोलो।
जो जुबानी
ये इंसानियत
ये अगर
का
क्रिकेट
कत्ल है,
खेलेंगे ना, मैं तो
इंसानियत का कत्ल है।
बॉयकॉट कर रहा हूं
क्या बच्चों
कंपनियों को जो क्रिकेट का
क्या
समर्थन
बच्चों वाली
करते
बात कर
हैं।
रहे हो? एक इंसान का कत्ल, ये कहाँ झूठ लिखा है? अरे छोड़ो, ये सब ऐसी, ये सब झूठ बोलते हैं, सब झूठ बोलते हैं। एक इंसान का कत्ल पूरी इंसानियत का कत्ल है, सब फ्रॉड। 420 नंबर 2 का काम,
420 लोग
पूरा नंबर 2 का काम है, नंबर 2 का, पूरा का पूरा,
दबाने की
पूरा
कोशिश
का
करते
पूरा।
हैं।
अच्छा,
आप सुनिए, मेरे पास
खुद
आर्मी के
खुद हाफिज सईद को जेल में डाला है, अब ये इसका वकील बन
मैं
रहा है।
हाफिज सईद
सईद को जेल में डाला है?
तबलीग देते हैं। जेल में क्यों
जेल डाला
डालेंगे?
नहीं?
वो जब तबलीग देते हैं,
जेल में डाला है कि नहीं
इस्लाम के
हाफिज सईद को?
जो भी दहशतगर्द
अरे
होगा,
हाफिज
वो
सईद को जेल में डाला है कि
एक ही
नहीं?
सवाल है
दहशतगर्द-
गौरव, गौरव एक ही
जेल में
सवाल
डाला
है
है को।
गौरव, गौरव,
मैं ये कह
गौरव,
रहा
इनको
हूं-
देखिए, इनको देखिए आज, एक मिनट वॉल्यूम डाउन, इनको देखिए, वॉच दिस पीपल व्यूअर्स. I have asked them a very elementary and a very basic question, General Bakshi.
सकते हैं आप।
I have asked them a question that I was told that a small child from Jaipur, aged between 2 and 3 years old, was killed by the terrorists. And he was a young boy, and his mother also from Jaipur were killed yesterday. And these Pakistanis, viewers, these Pakistanis feel that the Indian Cricket Board should play cricket with them. And I have only asked one question, General Bakshi. These people talk about humanity, this, that, whatever. I'm asking them, gather some damn courage. Don't be a coward yourself. Don't be a spineless coward yourself. Say on an Indian television channel that the killer of the 2-year-old child is a coward. That should be said or not, Gaurav? General Bakshi, am I asking for too much? Am I asking for too much to ask these Pakistanis to call the terrorists and the killers of a 2-year-old child cowards? Am I asking for too much, people of India? Am I asking for too much, or am I cutting to the main issue?
After
General Bakshi,
झूठ और फ्रॉड का प्रोपेगेंडा करते हैं आप झूठ बोलते
keep
हैं।
quiet about
Arnab,
propaganda.
after
Keep
these
quiet about
people had
propaganda.
shot
The
at the
child was
driver.
targeted.
पाकिस्तान पे
Arnab,
Killers
let me
of
fill you
children,
in on some of what I've
barbarians.
heard.
फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
After these people,
5 members of the same family were
after
killed.
these people shot at the driver, and he lost control and the bus fell into the khud, these terrorists came out to shoot at the people who were trying to get out of that bus. Arnab, on the day of the swearing in of the Modi 3.0 government, Pakistan has sent us a message. It has thrown us a gauntlet. And if we let it pass, we are not worth a salt. This has to be avenged. You know, I think we've had enough of politics now. We've had a ball watching our politics for the last 3 months.
Enough.
Now let's wake up to the reality of the corpses. If for one time we had to hit back, it is now. So far, we haven't even had time to comment
इतना
on this.
झूठ बोलते हैं इतना झूठ
You know,
अच्छा लगने लगता
apart
है।
from your
देखिए,
channel,
मुसलमान कभी
no
कोई
one
ऐसा
else
नहीं करेगा इंशाल्लाह
has had
मुसलमान
the
जालिम नहीं हो
decency.
सकता जालिम आप
No,
लोग
they
हैं।
won't.
जुल्म आप
They
लोग
They
हैं।
won't. All channels have got their priority wrong.
साहब, वो कुत्ते नहीं
हिंदुस्तान
है
हुकूमत
गली के।
दहशतगर्दी फैलाती है
अरे वो
मैं
कुत्ते
कह रहा
नहीं
हूं
है
कि
गली के।
दहशतगर्द आप
वो
लोग
नाली के कीड़े
आप लोग
नहीं है,
दहशतगर्द हैं,
इंसान है वो।
दहशतगर्दी आप फैलाते हैं।
इंसानियत का
इल्जाम
कत्ल की बात
पाकिस्तान पे
करते हैं।
लगाते हैं लेके
उन्होंने पहले तो ड्राइवर को मारा। ड्राइवर की जब गाड़ी गिर गई खड्डे में, अर्नब ऊपर से चढ़ के उन्होंने वहां से क्रॉल करके जो निकल रहे थे जान बचाने, वो सिविलियन, वो औरतें, वो बच्चे, उनको मारा है।
लाखों फौजी हैं फिर दहशतगर्द
इट इज
कैसे
अ
है?
क्राइम अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी।
इतने से कश्मीर में लाखों की तादाद में फौजी हैं आपके
If we don't hit back, you forget the bloody cricket. Forget the cricket. We need to hit back. We need to send a message back. Our government has been sent a message. I hope our government is hearing.
I would repeat.
I hope
I would
government
repeat.
has heard.
I would
They haven't
repeat.
heard the screams as
I would
yet.
repeat this tonight, viewers.
Haven't heard the screams as yet.
Our revenge is what we want. Revenge is what we seek. And I want to say this with certainty. Revenge is what we will get. Revenge, Gaurav, is what we will have. This country wants revenge. And we will avenge. We will exact 10 times the price from these Pakistanis for what they have done. And I want to tell you, viewers, in case you are among those people drugged with cricket, stop watching cricket with the Pakistanis. I want to tell you, viewers, that 5 members of one family died. 5 members of one family died, Arzu. And General Bakshi is saying something tonight. General Bakshi is saying, forget the cricket. Wake up to the reality of the corpses. लाशों की सच्चाई को देखिए और भारत को चाहिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ गौरव बदला, full-fledged badla. And viewers, 4 members of one family died. इन पाकिस्तानियों को सीख मिलनी चाहिए कि भारत जब बदला लेता है क्या होता है. अब हमें बदला चाहिए इन पाकिस्तानियों पर. 1 मिनट फराज, 1 मिनट, 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 1 मिनट. Viewers, 5 members, 4 killed, 1 injured. The father, जो बच्चा है 2 साल का बच्चा गौरव, his mother died. His maternal grandmother died. His paternal grandfather died. एक छोटे से बच्चे, उसकी माँ, उसकी नाना और उसके नानी को पॉइंट ब्लैंक रेंज पे इन पाकिस्तानियों ने मारा. Forget the cricket. Wake up to the reality of the corpses. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker on this, and I want Major Yasir Janjua to explain to the people of India and Gaurav Arya, who will debate with Gaurav, and you will debate directly. 1 versus 1. What does Pakistan gain by sending this message, and what will they lose? General Janjua, Major Janjua.
Was listening very patiently and did not interrupt while people were speaking. First and foremost, you wanted somebody from the Pakistan side to say that killing of the 2-year-old boy was barbarism. And if I am not wrong, Irshad Ahmed Khan did say that that was unacceptable. If you
No, I did not want that.
understand
I'll tell you what I wanted you to say. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll tell you what, so because you can't misquote me. I said that I want you to say that the Lashkar-e-Toiba, which has carried out this attack, are cowards. And unless you are a coward sitting in Lahore, because you could be a coward because you are closer there to the Lashkar-e-Toiba, you will say. But if you have got any sense of humanity, you will say, and Gaurav Arya and I are watching you, you will say that the
Arnab
killers,
Goswami,
you will say, don't take my name in vain,
Arnab
you will
Goswami,
say that the
let's-
killers of the 2-year-old child were
we'll talk
cowards.
about-
If you say
we'll
that,
talk
I will
about
respect you.
Lashkar-e-Taiba.
If you say that, I will respect you. I'll say you have guts.
Listen.
Otherwise, I will call you a coward as well.
Listen.
Otherwise, I will
Listen.
call you a coward right now. Gaurav, we will call
You're
him a coward
cowards.
unless he can
You're
say
cowards.
that the killers were
You're
cowards.
cowards.
Unless the
Got
killers
taste
were
of their
cowards.
life
Watch
from
the
me
Pakistani response,
on
viewers.
the battlefield.
Watch him, Gaurav.
Yes,
Watch him.
your cowards got the taste of their life on the battlefield from me. I don't have to prove.
Arey, you
my
were the
bravery.
1971 runaway.
Right, you remember.
Anyway, were the
1971 very
killers,
vividly.
I will ask you again,
Arnab
were the
Goswami.
killers of the 2-year-old
Now
boy
it's my turn,
cowards?
Arnab Goswami.
Gaurav, look at him
Have
dodging the
patience.
question, running away like a
You
frightened
remember
deer.
1971 very vividly.
I am asking
What
you
about
whether the killers of the 2-year-old boy
What
were
about
cowards.
1965?
Answer my
And
question.
what about
Answer my
1948?
question, Major.
What about 1965 and what about
Answer the
1958,
question.
48? And what about those boys and girls in army public school? In
Were the
Peshawar,
killers
those who were
of
killed
the
by
2-year-old boy
Indian
cowards?
who were killed
Were
by
they
the
cowards?
Will you denounce that?
Stop running away.
I am not.
Answer my question.
You are. This
Don't be
happened
spineless with
yesterday.
me on my program when
Listen,
I'm asking you a question. Have the decency to answer it.
Shouting will not make
Have
you
the decency to
convincing
answer
enough.
it. Gaurav is running away again.
Arnab,
Running like a
shouting
raccoon
will not make you
tonight.
convincing enough.
But he will not
What happened
answer my question,
yesterday
Gaurav.
is completely.
I'm saying tonight,
What happened
I'm
yesterday
saying,
is
say that the
completely
killers were
coward
cowards.
action.
Say that the killers
Listen,
were
what
cowards. Say it
happened
once. Say it once.
Arnab, hold on.
Say it once.
Hold on, what
I will not
happened
hold on.
yesterday-
I will keep hammering you. I will hammer you
All right,
through and
if
through.
you think you
You
can
answer
keep
my
hammering,
question.
you
Were
are
they cowards or
mistaken.
not? Everyone on.
You are
Answer
not
that.
worth one punch
So
of
you
mine,
want to
Arnab. I
say
can
that the
take you
killers
down
of a
with one
2-year-old child were not cowards? That is what you
Hammering.
learned in the Pakistani army.
punch. Listen.
That is what you
I
are taught in
can
the
take you
Pakistani
down
army.
in all-
Kill children.
All these jokers down in one punch, Arnab. So don't get started.
But you are the
I've been
biggest
very
joker of
patient,
them all.
and
Because if
been
I've
very
asked you the question 5
I've
times and
been
you're running
very-
away,
very
you're the
civil.
joker in the pack.
You cowards. You cowards.
And Gaurav
You can
Arya and
never
General
fight
Bakshi,
a
are you
war
seeing
and
that?
win it.
Are you
can
seeing
never
that?
fight a
This
war
is
and
the
win
real
it.
face of the
Let me
Pakistanis
tell you
army.
this thing. You talk about
This is the real face.
1971. You.
And don't go back into history. I'm
1971,
asking you what happened yesterday. Have the courage to talk about it.
150,000
Don't be
Mufti
shameless with
Balis,
me on the program.
Where it came to fighting a war.
Do not be shameless
Sad
with me on
green.
the program.
Let me tell you the lesson of your life.
Do not be shameless with me on the program.
Yeah. Anybody could be more shameless than you. I am wondering. I've been very patient.
Anyway, I asked you a question 5 times. Gaurav, he ran away 5 times.
I did not interrupt, but you have a very bad habit. You don't talk because
I've
you
asked
can't
him
listen
5
to the
times
other
and you
side.
run away. That's your bad
You
habit.
don't have the courage.
Gaurav, General
You don't
Bakshi.
have the courage
General
to
Bakshi
listen
first.
to
General
the other
Bakshi.
point of view.
General Bakshi.
Irshad Ahmed Khan very categorically.
General Bakshi, he did not
denounced what
say.
happened
You
yesterday.
and you are not
I am
both you.
denouncing
Listen to
what
me.
happened
Don't
yesterday.
keep talking. Don't
There
keep
is no
yapping
judgment.
on and on.
Just 1 minute.
The question has been asked to you.
Just
1 minute.
1
1 minute. Just General Bakshi 1 minute.
Arnab,
General Bakshi, I'll try 1 minute.
is-
General Bakshi, a question has been asked to you on the most watched program on the largest Indian news network. And the question is simple. Are the killers of the 2-year-old boy cowards?
I
आप
said
लोगों ने मारा
yes.
Say.
है, आपकी आर्मी ने मारा
Get your ears.
Say they are cowards.
Get your ears cleaned up.
Yeah,
You
so
need to
say
go to ES
Hafiz Saeed
specialist.
is a coward.
You need to go to
Say Hafiz Saeed is a coward.
Get your ears
Say
cleaned up.
Lashkar-e-Toiba is a
Yes, they are
coward.
cowards.
Say it.
But will you?
Say
Will you
it.
sitting on your
Say it.
program,
Don't
admit
dodge it. Don't
Those
avoid my
who
questions
killed
by
the
trying to
army
speak
public
over me.
Children, they were cowards. as
Swerving.
well.
I
Will
was
you
the
admit
first
those were
person who
cowards as
questioned,
well?
who condemned the
Arnab
attack that
Goswami,
happened by the
now you're
Tehreek-e-Taliban
running away.
Pakistan
Arnab
on your
Goswami, now you're
soil.
running away. I said
General
these
Bakshi
are
is responding
cowards.
now. General
But
Bakshi,
will you admit
over
those
to you,
who
sir.
killed the
You can have him for
army
breakfast,
school
lunch and
children?
dinner if you
They
want.
were cowards as well.
This man.
I just
Have the courage
say-
and have the moral courage to say yes.
Major
You will
Janjua,
not stay,
can
I
I-
know it. You'll run away.
Major Janjua, can I? Please,
Sir, why not? Why not?
we've heard you. Thank you. Arnab, the horrible timings of this attack are designed to send India a message, right? It is not any coincidence. It is a timed attack to coincide with the swearing in of the new government.
Yeah.
In my humble opinion, it is a slap in the face of the new government. You know, we were thinking that Pakistan is in deep, dire economic straits, that they
yeah.
would like
Oh, yes.
to try and rescue their strait from going down the economic tube. But this is what they want to do.
Then we shall have our
They
revenge.
Want to.
Then we shall have our revenge
चल गई
too.
अर्नब, ऐठ नहीं गई है. It is an insult to the people of India. It is a damned insult. You kill 10, 33 are wounded. You fire at a bus. When that bus falls, you come out to the edge of the road and you fire on those poor people trying to come out. Unarmed, innocent civilians. And this is not a Tucha strike. This is a mass casualty strike. Arnab, that is the criteria we had set for ourselves. You try a mass casualty strike, you will get it back. I'm sorry, Arnab. The new Modi government is on test. Will you swallow this? इनका थूका चाटोगे? Give it back to them. हमने सोचा था कि इनको शांति चाहिए, अमन चाहिए, अपनी इकोनॉमी को ठिकाने लगाने, अपनी फटीचर इकोनॉमी को और आप हमको हमारे जब सरकार का स्वेरिंग इन हो रहा है पहले दिन उसी दिन टाइम करके तुम 10 बेचारे भारतीय नागरिक शहीद
2 साल के बच्चे को
33 घायल
2 साल के बच्चे को
कितने और मरेंगे
गरीबों
वो बच्चे की माँ को
मरवाया।
लेकिन साहब
आपकी हुकूमत ने
मैं कह रहा हूं
बच्चे की नाना नानी को
दहशतगर्दी के लिए तैयार हो
You
जाओ।
have
हिंदुस्तान
slapped
दहशतगर्दी के लिए
this
तैयार हो
government
गया है।
in the face.
अभी दहशतगर्दी फैलाएगा पूरी दुनिया में। दहशतगर्दी फैलाने के लिए दहशतगर्द हुकूमत बनी है हिंदुस्तान में। हिंदुस्तान ने ये तोहफा दिया है कश्मीरियों को, अपने फौजियों के जरिए मरवाया है नेता कश्मीरियों को, इल्जाम लगा दिया पाकिस्तान पे। ये कभी भी रायगा नहीं जाता है।
गौरव आर्या गौरव आर्या रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू इरशाद गौरव
कश्मीरियों को
सुनो,
रंग
इरशाद
लाएगा।
पटवारी।
बस
इरशाद पटवारी मेरी बात सुनो। इरशाद पटवारी मेरी बात सुनो। इरशाद पटवारी मेरी बात सुनो।
मेरी
तुम्हारा कायद चोर है नवाज शरीफ, भीख मांगने के लिए आया था हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के पास। पटवारी चोर करप्ट आदमी है, पटवारी है नवाज शरीफ।
मैसेज भेजे हैं
पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग नून पटवारियों की है, पटवारियों की सरकार है तुम्हारी।
मैं एक बार और पूछ रहा हूं and I'm asking General Bakshi on the left right now. General Bakshi is coming to the debate with Arzu. And Arzu, my question to you is this, Arzu. 1 minute, Arzu. My question is this, Arzu. My question is this, Arzu. I think Pakistan has this time bitten off more than it can chew. As General Bakshi said quite clearly there. General Bakshi says this government is on the test. Now, Arzu, is Pakistan prepared for the response? Truly. Faraz and Arzu, Narendra Modi, 3-time Prime Minister of India, on one side, and the people of India are very angry. Specifically Faraz, the Lashkar-e-Toiba has targeted a bus of Hindu pilgrims going to Vaishno Devi. Among them, a 2-year-old child, his mother, grandfather and grandmother. The message extremely clear. Just because you are sitting in Islamabad, don't fool yourself. These people timed it to the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now, the time has come for you to be prepared for the nature of an Indian response. Are you ready for the response that will come? Because I'm sure, 1000% sure, that the government will respond very strongly. Are you prepared for the response? Will you be able to handle a full-fledged Indian response? Arzu, what is your thought on this?
First of all, Arnab, I will never ever support any terrorism, any kind of terrorism in Pakistan or in India or anywhere in the world. और जिस किसी ने भी इस छोटे से बच्चे को और इसकी फैमिली को मारा है, मैं समझती हूँ कि वो डरपोक लोग हैं, वो कायर हैं और उनको मैं खुला कह रही हूँ।
तो ये क्यों नहीं कहते? ये क्यों नहीं कहते? ये इरशाद अहमद खान को और इतनी बार पूछा, मेजर जंजुआ को इतनी बार पूछा, कहो कायर है, डरपोक है, क्यों नहीं कहा? कहो डरपोक है, कहो कि लश्कर-ए-तोयबा डरपोक है, कहो लश्कर-ए-तोयबा कायर है, कहो इरशाद, कहो एक पाकिस्तानी महिला आपको कह रही है, कहो ये डरपोक है।
हिंदुस्तानी दहशतगर्द मुसलमान।
एक मिनट गौरव, 1 मिनट, होल्ड इट गौरव, 1 मिनट। आरजू कंटिन्यू, आरजू कंटिन्यू, आरजू।
इंशाल्लाह नबी का गुलाम है, सर कलम करेगा, लेकिन
आरजू कंटिन्यू।
कर दे, क्या हो गया? कहीं फट मत जाइएगा जाके। क्या बोले जा रहे हैं?
ये जेब कतरा है, पता नहीं कुछ बोलता है ये। इसके गुलाम है, उसके गुलाम है, तुम हो गए, जाओ।
सच बोलता है।
There is nothing called the TRF.
पटवारी निकल यहाँ से।
आपको पटवारी का चपड़ासी।
पटवारी निकल यहाँ से।
Can I go back to the serious debate with General Bakshi? I'm not going to this. General Bakshi and Arzu, please, on the screen. Thank you. General Bakshi and Arzu, please. And Gaurav, it's not necessary, please. Gaurav, it's not necessary, please. One second. I want Arzu to take off from here, please. Yeah, Arzu.
देखिए, उनको बिल्कुल भी सपोर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए और इस तरह की चीजों को मुझे नहीं पता है डॉक्टर इरशाद क्यों सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। वो लोग बिल्कुल बुज़दिल है, कायर है, कावर्ड है, बिल्कुल जो आप कह रहे हैं वो एग्जैक्टली ये लोग वो हैं जिन्होंने मारा है। और उसके बाद ये कहना कि नहीं जी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, या आपको जब आप ये क्यों मान रहे हैं कि जी यहाँ से हुआ है या कहाँ से हुआ है, आप तो सीधे सीधे जिस किसी ने भी किया है उसको तो कम से कम कहिए कि वो गलत है, उनको भी गलत नहीं कह रहे हैं। पता नहीं कहां से रिलीजन बीच में लेकर आ गए और क्या क्या बातें कर रहे हैं। लेकिन मुझे बहुत अफसोस है उस छोटे से बच्चे के साथ, उसकी फैमिली को देख के भी अफसोस होता है। सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि उस बच्चे की पिक्चर आपने देख ली है या फोटो देख ली है तो आप कह रहे हैं, पूरी फैमिली को जिस तरह से मारा गया है, बिल्कुल ये किसी का बुज़दिलों का काम होता है। बहादुर इस तरह के काम नहीं करते। अब चाहे ये लश्कर का काम हो या किसी का भी काम हो, ये कायर लोग हैं और ये इसी तरह के अटैक्स करते हैं।
हिंदुस्तान का काम
तो है नहीं कि सामने आके किसी से बात करेंगे, लड़ सकेंगे या सच बोल सकेंगे।
No, I think Irshad, you can be quiet for a while. I also want to tell everyone today that M4 carbines, including the ones which are in service with the Pakistani Special Forces and the Special Security Unit of the Sindh Police, is there. We have the evidence. This has happened after Shehbaz Sharif's 5-day trip to Beijing. It is simply the Kargil tactic. It is the Lashkar-e-Toiba which was rebranded as TRF, which has claimed responsibility. It is Lashkar-e-Toiba machinery, Lashkar-e-Toiba modus operandi, Lashkar-e-Toiba resources. It is absolutely and quite clearly the Hafiz Saeed outfit. And everybody, including Faraz, knows that it is the Lashkar-e-Toiba hand. And the Lashkar-e-Toiba has claimed responsibility for this incident. For this incident. 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute.
I'm waiting for the government of India to...
1 minute, please. Now, the point is, changing of names does not matter anymore. This is the Lashkar-e-Toiba. Question is, for us, are you prepared for an Indian response? Are you prepared for what the Indian response will be?
I'm waiting for the official statement from the government of India. I'm waiting for the foreign ministry to send a démarche to hold the ambassador accountable if there is an evidence of Pakistan's hand in this incident. I mean, Gaurav, let me speak. You've taken a lot of time and I just started.
No. In 1 minute, Gaurav, that's the most, I mean, Faraz, that's the stupidest response you can give, because do you think we are going to, 1 minute, do you think, okay, so let me tell you, do you think we are going to respond to a terrorist attack with a diplomatic intervention? Did we respond? Should we have given a démarche after Pulwama? Should we have given a démarche before Balakot? क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? Which world are you in?
Of course not.
Then,
of course not.
Then which world are you in? Should we do track 2, track 3, track 4, track 5 on this? Do you think that will happen?
You think
no, this is the Modi government, yeah? Do you know how we respond? This is the Modi government. हम खुलकर घर में घुसकर मारेंगे. हम घर में घुसकर मारेंगे. आप सुन लीजिए. हम घर में घुसकर मारेंगे. पुलवामा के 12 दिन बाद आपको मारा था बालाकोट में. घर में घुसकर मारेंगे.
Not some channel or some
जिसको
individual on national
आर्मी चीफ की टांगें कांप रही थी. माथे पे पसीना था.
तो आपने अभिनंदन को भेजा
था. माथे पे पसीना था. कमर जावेद बाजवा की टांगें कांप रही थी. सर, कमर जावेद बाजवा की टांगें कांप रही थी. सर पे पसीना था.
I mean that's all hearsay. That's all hearsay.
बोला कि hearsay नहीं.
That's all hearsay.
अरे सर, आपके पार्लियामेंट में बोला है. सादिक ने बोला. आमिर सादिक क्या नाम है उसका? He said it in parliament. He said it in parliament. What are you talking about?
You've been following political circus both in India and Pakistan. People give political statements.
एक मिनट सर. He said that I witness. उसने बोला कि मैं गवाह हूँ. मेरे सामने आया था.
Shot down Abhinandan's aircraft.
उसने बोला कि मेरे सामने आया था. अभिनंदन को बोलो छोड़ देंगे, वरना 9 बजे इंडिया अटैक करने वाला है.
You see, I'm not a monger. I'm not a hate monger. I condemn this.
No, you can't be anything.
Plain and simple. All the terrorists should be held accountable. Gaurav, all the terrorists should be held accountable to the court.
Don't give gratuitous statement.
Investigate all the agencies.
There is no court.
As to who ordered this act.
There is no court.
It's gone beyond that. Don't give gratuitous statements. Don't give these general motherhood statements like all terrorists must be held responsible. It means nothing. It means nothing. We need to have a more substantive response for us. Don't give me an academic response here. Don't give me an academic response. I am fed up with academic responses. I want a real response. You killed our children. You killed our women. We are going to hit you back. It's simple.
It's a tragic.
Hey, don't do this. No, you behave yourself. Don't. It's not a tragedy. It's a terrorist attack.
It is a sad
It's not a
and
tragedy. It's a
tragic
terrorist
incident.
attack. General Bakshi,
It is a tragic.
don't
and a sad
intellectualize
and the
terrorism,
terrorists should be held
yaar.
accountable
Don't
for
intellectualize
this.
terrorism, not to me. I speak
they
for
should
the
be held
people of this
accountable.
country.
They should be held accountable.
I'm
It
saying
is
this with all
Hafiz Saeed or
responsibility.
Rashid Taiba. They should
Arnab,
be held
this-
accountable.
I
Let
speak,
Hafiz
listen to me.
absolutely
Faraz,
was responsible behind this.
you and Arzu and Major Janjua and Irshad, कान खोलकर आप लोग सुन लीजिए. जो मैं बोल रहा हूं यही सेंटिमेंट भारत के लोगों की है. घर में घुसकर मारो, हमारे बच्चे को मारा. हिंदू पिलग्रिम थे, उनको बस पे मारा. बदला लेंगे, बदला. We want revenge. Okay. General Bakshi wants to respond tonight, viewers. And in the meantime, these stupid cricket matches should come to an end. General Bakshi. General Bakshi.
Arnab,
General Bakshi.
is a very timed, planned provocation. It has been timed with the inauguration of the new government.
You've said
They
that.
think Modi has gone weak. I think the Prime Minister should show them what is the difference between Modi 2.0 and Modi 3.0. It is a deliberate affront.
खुद बंदों को
It is
मरवाते
an affront to our
कभी
national
सिखों को
honor
कभी कश्मीरियों को मारते हो, कभी
that you choose
मुसलमानों को
to
मारते
kill
हो,
innocent
कभी
women and
शरम
children.
करो,
You not
शरम,
only cause
शरम
the
करो,
bus,
शरम करो,
you shoot the driver, cause the bus to go
अभी
into the
हमारे घर पे बम गिरा
fire.
था,
These cowards, come out of their cover and fire on those people who are trying to crawl out of.
Gaurav, 1 minute.
कह रहे थे ना,
Only General Bakshi and Major Janjua.
एक
Only
इंसान
General
का
Bakshi and
कत्ल
Major
पूरी
Janjua.
इंसानियत का कत्ल होता है. 10 कत्ल हुए हैं मियाँ, 10 कत्ल किए हैं तुमने और 34 और वहां अपनी सांसें गिन रहे हैं. ठीक है, तुमको ये चीज महंगी पड़ेगी. बेवजह किसी की आंख में अपनी उंगली डालना तुमको महंगा पड़ सकता है. तुम क्या समझते हो
बख्शी साहब
कि मोदी कम वोटों से आया है तो क्या वो आपको मुंह तोड़ जवाब नहीं देगा?
बख्शी साहब धमकियां देने से काम नहीं बनता.
क्योंकि आप
हिम्मत है तो आ जाओ, हिम्मत है तो आओ, सबक सिखाएंगे.
जानबूझ के किया है.
We will teach you a lesson of
बिल्कुल
your life,
जानबूझ
बख्शी
के किया
साहब.
है कि तुम्हारे
You forget
लश्कर तोयबा को
speaking
पता
this
नहीं
loud
था
on the
कि यहाँ
television.
इलेक्शन हो रही है.
We'll
तुम्हारी
teach you a
ISI
lesson of your
को
life.
पता नहीं था.
Pakistan Army will
पता
take
नहीं
you
था.
to the laundry. We'll take
एक
you to the
इंसान का
laundry.
कत्ल, अबे तुमने 10 का किया है.
अभी
10 का कत्ल किया है तुमने.
उससे
तुम
बुरा
क्रिकेट
असर
खेलना
किया तो
चाहते हो.
याद रखना, छठी का दूध याद कराएंगे तुम्हें.
अर्नब, इनको तो कल ही पता चलना चाहिए. ये स्टूपिड सीज फायर खत्म होना चाहिए. हमारी तोपें गरजनी चाहिए इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर के पार, ताकि चीखों के ऊपर इनको तोपों की आवाज भी सुनाई दे जाए.
तो सही, ये बढ़ के
क्या
मारने
कर
से
लिया,
बात
क्या
नहीं
कर
बनती
लिया?
है. अभी
फौजों की बातें नहीं करते.
Gaurav and General Bakshi
At
are
the
one
time of our choosing,
जमीन पे
we
बोलेंगे.
gave you the lesson of your life.
Actually,
gave you the
Major
lesson of your
Janjua.
life.
Actually, Major Janjua, I want to talk to you. 1 minute.
You've already chosen the date.
General Bakshi, can
You've
I?
already chosen a date.
General
The
Bakshi-
swearing in of the new government.
Yeah, so it's a challenge to the government of India. It is challenge to the newly elected government of 3-time Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And it is therefore incumbent on the Prime Minister, the Defence Minister, the Cabinet Committee on Security and the Government of India to appropriately respond. We must not think or assume that the Government of India will not respond. They will, and yes, at a time of our choosing and in such a way, ghar mein ghus ke, that these people like Major Janjua will keep their mouth shut for some time. The problem,
Well,
viewers,
really?
people ask me, yes, and let me
Really?
shut your mouth once more with something else I'm about to say. You see, you have an inferiority complex. You are born with an inferiority complex. I'll tell you why. Because yesterday was a very important day for India, Gaurav. It was a day of celebrating a well-fought, credible mandate, something that Pakistanis can never have. So they have an inferiority complex about our democracy. It was a day of celebrating the continuity and stability in leadership in India, something that Pakistan has never had, as a country. It was a day of celebrating India's rise to the global stage as a super economic powerhouse, something which a bankrupt Pakistan can never have. So the problem with them, Gaurav, is that they have an inferiority complex. And that's why they respond by saying, let's carry out a terrorist attack here and there.
One small intervention, Arnab.
And then when we kill,
One intervention here, Arnab, I would like to correct you and disagree with you. Pakistan does not have an inferiority complex. Pakistan is inferior. अब आगे बढ़िए.
Okay, गौरव आर्या, पाकिस्तान is inferior. आ जाओ ना, लड़के देखो ना.
अच्छा, एक मिनट, एक और चीज. एक मेजर जंजू, एक और चीज. It is not take you to the laundry, it is take you to the cleaners. आप पहले मुहावरा ठीक करिए अपना.
लड़के देखो ना, आओ ना. पहले अभिनंदन को भेजा था, जो उसकी हमने धुलाई की थी, और जो उसको फिर हमने तोहफे में दिया था.
100 सुअर एक शेर को घेर लेते हैं. 100 सुअर ने एक शेर को घेर लिया, तो कौन सी बड़ी बात कर ली? अभिनंदन वो सारे सुअर ने एक शेर को घेर लिया. अरे कोई घर में घुस के नहीं.
Gaurav, you cannot change the facts.
फैक्ट नहीं.
Our Pakistani airport entered Indian airspace.
100 पाकिस्तानियों ने एक अभिनंदन को घेर लिया. तो कौन सा बड़ा तीर तुक्का मार लिया?
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
let's not distort
I'll use
the
that.
fact.
कौन सा तीर मार लिया?
Viewers, one minute. Viewers, first of all, the way I see it, I'll keep them on the screen while I say this. I'll keep them on the screen. You Pakistanis also listen to me. 1 minute, Gaurav, I want these Pakistanis also to listen to me. First point is, viewers, that we must, Gaurav, 1 minute, Major Janjua. Thank you for first saying that Hafiz Saeed is a coward today. कुछ तो अच्छा बोला. डरपोक है ये लोग. Second is, ladies and gentlemen, we as a nation must hang our heads in shame for preferring a cricket match over our country. First point, take these Pakistanis off the screen. I'll just say one thing, viewers. We have a choice today. It is time we make our choice. And the way I see it is, there can be no exceptions. There can be no so-called nationalists on Twitter yesterday. They were also shamelessly tweeting and celebrating the Indian cricket team's victory. What victory? I will go out on a limb and say that who we are as citizens to demand anything of a system when we are glued to the television sets, drugged and social media, hurling exciting insults at Pakistan for losing a match. I mean, the Modi government will surely respond to this. But will our nation respond? Will the BCCI respond? Will we boycott this dirty, corrupt cricket business with Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen? This is nothing but a corrupt cricket business with Pakistan. You are being fooled into believing we have stopped cricket with Pakistan. We haven't. And yesterday, a 2-year-old died and we played cricket with Pakistan. His mother was killed and we played cricket with Pakistan. His grandfather, his grandmother, the entire family was wiped out. And we were watching drugged India-Pakistan cricket. You choose. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.